Hi, I'm Michael Hubbard, and in a moment you're going to meet Mike Klingler, who will show you historic data on Bitcoin trading signals. You'll see exactly what you would have made if you would have followed these signals exactly as they were given to you. It's quite impressive. I'll be here after the video to answer any of your questions. Now here's Mike.
I want to talk to those of you who want to build wealth and you're serious about it. I'm going to share with you how you can grow your money capitalizing on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but more important, how to protect your money. That's something that many of you who got into Bitcoin haven't done. I'm going to talk about how to do this in a bear or a bull market. It doesn't matter if it's going up or down. Now, let me be very clear. This is about you trading Bitcoin. If you haven't figured out how to do that yet, if you haven't even got Bitcoin yet, we can help you with all of that. That's easy. If you've traded Bitcoin, or worse, if you've given your Bitcoin to another company to trade it for you, and then they ran off with it, understand that that is exactly what we don't want you doing. This is about you taking control of your money and winning with this incredible opportunity with cryptocurrency, but you're in control. No one can run off with it. Understand that. We're going to talk about how to make a 7-figure per year income. I've done that many times for many years. I've had a couple 8-figure income years. It's a certain mindset. Those of you enter your name and email and come on in. I'm going to break all of this down. I'm going to show you how successful Unifi's trading signals are with Bitcoin, whether the market's going up or down. I'm going to show you a system of how to generate $125,892 per month residual income following our system. But first, I want to get you into the right mindset. A lot of you know Robert Kiyosaki. He had a famous book called Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant. He taught financial intelligence. And if you don't have this part figured out, you'll never be wealthy. You'll never be able to build wealth. You won't even be able to do well financially. He talked about the employee quadrant. That's the E quadrant. You have a job, you trade time for money. You can't get wealth there. We talked about the self-employed. That's the S quadrant down here in the lower right corner of my screen. You own a job. You're still trading time for money. You can't build wealth there. Then there's the business owner. You have a business system that allows you to generate residual income. You can get paid while you're sleeping. You can get paid while you're on vacation. That's what we're showing you how to set up to make a 7-figure income with the incredible opportunity of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. But listen, by still protecting your money, not giving it up and having someone run off with it. I know a lot of you did that. And by the way, I got caught up with some of that too early on. That's why I'm so excited about this. You can grow your money and protect it. And then there's the investor quadrant. We talked about the I quadrant. That's where your money works for you. That's the dream place to be. I'm going to show you a system that gets you into the B quadrant, a business system that's making money for you even when you're not working. And the I quadrant also. Pay close attention. Bitcoin has shot way up. Yes, it went up to $20,000 at the end of December. It's dropped down to about $7,000 at the time I'm recording this. Listen, it can go lower. It doesn't matter. Guys, listen, it doesn't matter if it goes lower. I'm going to show you a process of making money, whether it goes up or down. And all experts know, anyone with it, any brains at all, paying attention, knows that Bitcoin's going to go very high eventually. If you look at any market cycle, it's just how it works. Here in Newsweek, someone talking about how it's going to $250,000 by 2022. But we see this, it doesn't matter where exactly it's landing. We're going to show you how to make money whether it's going up or down. Now, pay close attention. If you had followed Unifi's signals from January 1st to July 1st and just bought and sold in your control, not Unifi's control, it's so important to understand that. In your control, you would have made a fortune even though the market went way down. In fact, it went from about 4,000 of Bitcoin to about 6,000 of Bitcoin in that period, and yet you would have made a fortune. Listen closely. In this example, a real example, these are the real signals, just following the signals, which is one of Unifi's financial resource products. Say it with me, financial resource products. Teaching you how to take control of your own money. It's so powerful. If you had just started with 10,000 USD, you would have had 0.747 Bitcoin. You would have grew that to almost 10 Bitcoin when the market went way down during one of the worst periods, just following these signals. That would have been worth $63,304. You would have profited over $53,000. That's including finance exchange fees. If you don't know how to do any of this stuff, we'll show you how. It is really, really simple. It is really, really simple. I'll show you the Excel spreadsheets, all that stuff. Enter your name and email and get in touch with us. Aaron Ellis turned 5 Bitcoin into 54 Bitcoin when he started trading with the signals in January. That was before the business opportunity was available to sell the financial resource products that Unify provides. There's more than just the signals, by the way. And just trading the signals, he grew 5 Bitcoin into 54 Bitcoin. By the way, if all you have is $100 worth of Bitcoin to start with, that's what you start with. Start growing your money. He also continued following the signals between June 19th and right now is August 30th. He grew 331,000 worth of Bitcoin into 724,000, more than doubled it again. And this is why the market's not doing that good. This is when it's going down or sideways. He also earned over $40,000 in commissions with the business system I'm going to talk to you about, where we're selling the financial resource products that Unify provides all of us to make us smart with our money, starting with capitalizing on Bitcoin, whether the market's going up or down. Here's Shane making a post in our Facebook group on August 28th. Who else is making insane gains? This is real, guys. I can show you the data. You can see the signals. You can see the historic data on the signals. You can start following them on a regular basis. You can come in for very inexpensively and see the signals and track them for weeks and months at a time. It's not rocket science. Last buy was 6,713. Current price is over 7,000. We're making money all the time. We get these indicators. He made a post showing, hey, the signal said buy at 67.13. You buy, it's now at 7,000. You sell, you make money. It's happening all the time. Robin Lynn making her living on it. Let's come down here. She said she made $3,309.23 USD, trading with just 1.28 Bitcoin. That was within about a month's period, from June 28th to today, August 28th. Guys, the signals, historic data is all there. You don't need to be that smart. You just, I mean, you don't have to know numbers and complicated trading stuff. You just need to be smart with how to build wealth. And that's a mindset. That's like not being weak-minded, weak-willed, deciding you're going to create wealth and then attracting the right people and opportunities, not like joining scams and schemes and then going, oh no, it doesn't work, and then missing real opportunities when they present themselves. You gotta be smart that way. You can't quit. I'm gonna show you the signals when you come in. I'm gonna show you what you would have had through all these different date ranges. It's like, it's just so simple. And I'm gonna show you a system for generating 7 figures, $125,000, $125,892 per month. I'm going to show you a system for doing that. That's on a product that costs $79.95 per month. It just doesn't get any better than this. We're going to show you how we're working together, marketing leaders, influencers, helping you build. Come in, enter your name and email. I'm going to share with you exactly how to profit on Bitcoin, whether the market's going up or down. I'm going to show you how Unify's financial resource products are helping people increase their financial IQ. I'm going to show you a system to 7 figures. I've created 7 figures many, many times throughout my career. A couple years, 8 figures. I have never seen a way to build wealth as simple and realistic and legitimate as this, while protecting your gains along the way. Come in, and I'm going to cover it all.